Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, enjoy! Cyclo Alkene. Okay, we move to the Cyclo Alkene. Okay, for the Cyclo Alkene, same as with the Alkane, first we need to know the number of carbon at the ring. Okay, so after you determine the number of carbon of the ring, then baru kita, okay, we can name the compound based on the number of carbon. For example, like this one. Okay, for the naming the compound of cycloalkane, we just add at the in front of the alkane is cyclo because in the cyclic compound, right? And then since it have 3 carbon, so which means we can name the compound is cyclopropane. Okay, for another compound, okay, next compound, since it attach or it have 5 carbons, okay, 5 carbons, so which means we can name it as a cyclo what? Cyclo
Pentane.
yes, cyclopentane. How about this one? Cyclo what?
Hexane.
Cyclohexane. Okay, and then the next is compound with substituent. If the compound having the substituent, select the substituent with the lowest number. Select the substituent with the lowest number and then name the substituent alphabetically. This one is similar with the alkanes lah. Okay, for example, like this one. Okay, so since you know that this compound is the parent name of this compound is cyclopentane. Okay, because it's 5 carbon, and then we need to look the substituent. Okay, since this one, maybe you can start the number. Okay, the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe you can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, following the rules, you need to select with the lowest number of substituent and then name alphabetically. So between red or green, which one I should follow? Red or green? Which one I should follow? Between red or green, which one I should follow?
Red. Green.
Green.
Okay, the green one, because if I follow the red one, the substituent, okay, the substituent is 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 2. If I follow the green one, I will have 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so which means we need to follow the green one. So that's why the name of this compound is 1,1,2-trimethyl cyclopentane. Okay, 1,1,2-trimethyl. Okay, how about this one? What is the name of this compound? Parent chain, parent name dulu. Okay, name the parent name. Okay, name the parent compound for this compound. Okay.
Cyclopropane.
Okay, cyclopropane. And then cyclopropane. And then the name of substituent is, since it attached at carbon number 1 or carbon number 2, so which means we can name the compound is 1,2-dimethyl. Okay, let's say lah, kalau maybe some student dia tanya, bolehkah kalau saya start from here? Can I start from here? Of course you can start from here because both direction give the same number of substituent, 1 plus 2. Okay, kalau if green sama juga 1 plus 2, same. So no worries if you plan to use another direction. Okay, how about this one? Okay, for this one, since the parent name is we can name it as a cyclohexane. Okay, 6 carbon. And then next baru kita tengok the substituent. Okay, next we can look the substituent. Okay, maybe you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or maybe you can start from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or maybe you can start from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. My question is, which one I should take? Which one I should follow? The red one, or the green one, or the orange one?
The orange one, maybe.
Maybe? Macam mana tu jawab tu? The orange one, maybe. Kena maybe, kena confidence sikit.
Red one.
The red one. Red one. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's say lah. For the red one, I start. I using the red one. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 5 itu the red one. If I follow the green one, you will get 1 plus 3 plus 4. And then the orange one, I can get 1 plus 2 plus 4. So which one is the lowest number? Red, green, or orange?
Orange.
Orange.
Oh, kira the simple tambah-tambah je pun ni. Adakah the red one? The orange one lah. 1 to 4. Ini 1 to 5. So which mean we need to follow the orange one. 1 to 4. Okay, so which mean we need to follow the orange one here. So next, baru kita can complete the name of this compound. So the name of this compound is, kita ada methyl here, 2 methyl and then ethyl. So we can name it as a 2 ethyl and then 1 4 dimethyl cyclohexane. So if you get this compound, you can try an error. Okay, you can try an error to find the lowest number of substituent. Okay, all right. Next is, if the number of carbon of the ring is equal or greater than number of substituents. Okay, this one. Okay, ini panjang dia punya statement. I direct terus show to see the example here. Alright, from the example here, dia cakap begini. Okay, if the straight chain is greater than the cyclic compound, this one will be the substituent, and then this one will be the parent chain. Because of what? The straight chain have 1, 2, 3, 5 carbon, instead of the cyclic compound have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So which means we need to take this one as a parent chain and this one as a substituent. Okay, as a substituent. That's why we can name this compound as a since it attached at carbon number 2, we can name it as a 2-cyclobutyl. Okay, remember you need to put the YL as a substituent because it becomes the substituent, and then 2-cyclobutyl pentane. Okay, 2-cyclobutyl pentane. This is how to name the compound if you find like this one lah. Okay, the cyclic compound is less carbon than the straight chain. So which means the straight chain will be the parent chain. Same as like this one. Another example. Okay, so both are cyclic compound. However, since this one give more carbon than this one, so this one will be the substituent. Okay, will be the substituent. So we can name it as a one. Okay, cyclopropyl, cyclopentane. Okay, cyclopropyl, cyclopentane. Okay, so why I didn't put number 1 here? Ini kita follow the rules of 3. Number 3, no number is needed for a single substituent on a ring. For example, like this one. This one, since just having one substituent here, we just simply name this compound as methyl cyclopropane. Okay, propane, same as this one. Okay, what is the name of this substituent? What is the name of that substituent? Ada saya beritahu tadi awal-awal tadi at the early of this slide about the when we recall the first chapter, I tell about this one. I told this one.
Iso.
I saw what? I saw what? I saw what?
Isopropyl.
Yes, isopropyl. Okay, remember ya, just remember kalau piece dia punya bentuk ini kita namakan dia sebagai, we call it as a isopropyl. Okay, isopropyl. So which mean we can name it as a isopropyl cyclobutane. Same as this one. Okay, so what is the name of this compound? Of this substituent. Sorry, compound substituent. What is the name of this substituent? I told you before. Remembering, since this one having 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, and then this one attached at the second carbon here of the substituent. So which mean we can name it as a what? Ini kalau ada 4 carbon, okay, kalau 4 carbon dia punya nama apa? Kalau 4 carbon. 4 carbon. Butane kan? Okay, butane. However, since this one is a substituent, we name it as a butyl. Okay, butyl. And then if you can see here, the parent chain, okay, attached at the second carbon of this substituent. So which mean we can name it as a sec-butyl. Okay, sec-butyl cyclopentane. Okay, pentane. So this is the name of this substituent, sec-butyl. Okay, alright. This is your exercise. Try. Okay, try. Just try question number 1. Name the compound. Okay, try. Name the compound A, B, and C. Untuk yang question number 2 ni, kamu boleh buat after the lecture. Okay, because drawing is quite easy. Okay, drawing is quite easy. Naming is something hard. Okay, usually student will easily get wrong answer for naming the compound. Okay, try name the compound. Try name the compound. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. For the carbon compound number 1, what is the name of this compound number 1? Okay. You can write down the chatting. Okay, write down the chatting privately. Okay, maybe or you can open. Okay, maybe you can open your mic. Okay, carbon compound number 1. What is the name of compound number 1? The name number compound number 1. Compound number 1. What is the name of compound number 1? Come on, everyone. Come on. Come on. Come on. Compound number 1. What is the name of compound number 1? Okay, compound number 1.
So saya mau try.
Okay.
3 ethyl, 1 methyl, 5 propyl, cyclopentane.
3 ethyl, 5 methyl, 1, 2, 3. Belum lagi saya beritahu. 3 ethyl, 1 propyl. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Tengok. So since let's say I try this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2. Or maybe I can try this one. Another direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright. So since this one maybe samakan 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Sama juga kalau another direction. 1 plus 2, 1, 4. Okay, another direction also same. Okay, so which means we need to follow the alphabetical rules. Okay, between this one, methyl and propyl, we need to follow what? Methyl first. So which means we can name it as 4 ethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 ethyl, 1 methyl, 2 propyl, cyclo, and then okay, this one, the name of this compound. 4 ethyl, 1 methyl, 2 propyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, betul. Okay. How about this one? Compound number B. Okay, for compound number B, I can write down or rewrite like this one. Redraw this structure like this one. Okay, this one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is the name of this substituent? What is the name of this substituent? What is the name of that substituent? Okay, what is the name of that substituent? Apa nama dia ni? Isopropyl. Okay, not isopropyl. Okay, not isopropyl. This one we call it as isobutyl. Okay, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Okay, instead of this one, contoh kalau isopropyl is like this one. Beza. Okay, for isopropyl we have 3 carbon. Kalau isobutyl we have 4 carbons. Okay, 4 carbons. So this one we call it as isobutyl. So the name of this compound is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so which means we can name it as, okay, between isobutyl and ethyl, which one we need to put first? Between ethyl or isobutyl, which one I should put first? What?
Isobutyl.
Yes, salah. Wrong.
Ethyl.
We need to put the ethyl first because iso ni ini tidak dikira not is this one iso ni count as a name. This one is not a prefix name. This one counts as a name of this substituent. So which means we can name it as 1 ethyl, 3 isobutyl cyclohexane. Okay, last compound. What is the name of this? The last compound. The name of the last compound. Name of the last compound. Okay, what is the name of the last compound? Anyone to try? Come on. So anyone to try this one? So what is the name of this compound? Anyone? You need to remember first, you need to find the longest chain of carbon and then the lowest number of substituent. Okay, longest chain of carbon, lowest number of substituent. Okay, other answer as 2,3-dimethyl for isopropyl heptane. Okay, 2,3-dimethyl for isopropyl heptane. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nah, salah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. So it means heptane lah. Okay, heptane. Okay, so this one is heptane. So and then since this one I think the lowest number, so this one is methyl, and then one is isopropyl. So which mean we can name it as 4 isopropyl 2, 3 dimethyl heptane. Okay, so this is the name of this compound. Okay, different with the other, it said that 2,3-dimethyl. So ini yang tak sana. Ini jangan susah. Saya dengar tu. Senang gini. Okay, because this one, okay, why we don't put this first? Because ini adalah prefix name. Ini adalah nama dia yang betul. Okay, this one nama dia yang betul. So which mean we need to put this first. Iso, I, and this one we start with M, methyl. That's why we can name it as a 4-isopropyl 2,3-dimethyl heptane. Okay, so you just need to remember lah, kalau you find the di, tri, tetra or sec, so this one is not count as alphabetical rules. Okay, alphabetical rules. But if you find the iso, kalau iso ini, this one count as alphabetical rules. Okay, alphabetical rules. So ini kita punya key point lah juga. Okay, alright, that's all for the naming the compound. Okay, later kamu after this you try and error lah lagi untuk for another exercise. This one I prepared also. Okay, this one you